you. Just name all your fingers from left thumb as 1 to right thumb as 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's see how it works. For instance, 9 multiplied by 6. Fold your sixth finger down. Now we are seeing the answer. How? From the folded finger, the left side fingers are tens place. Here, that is 5. And right side fingers are ones place. That is 4. So the answer is 54. Okay, let's take another example. 9 multiplied by 1. Let's fold the first finger. From the folded finger, left side. For tens place, there is no finger. So it is 0. And the right side has 9 fingers in ones place. So the answer we get 9. Apart from fingers technique, we have another interesting method for 9 table. Here it is. Write down the whole number 0 to 9 in tens place from top to bottom. 0, 1, 2, 8 and 9. At the end, write down the whole numbers 0 to 9 in the ones place from bottom to top. 0, 1, 2, 8 and 9. Now you can see the answers for 9 table. Friends, out of 5 traits I have given you the best 2. Hope it will be most useful for you. Thanks for watching.